Wasp has been at the center of a lot of controversy recently, but what's really going on?
You know this interview have to be a bomb because Wasp in the building. What going, brother?
Yeah, man, my bro.
True, family, man.
Yeah.
First of all, congratulations, because you find it again. Follow up and be your thing.
Thank you. God is good.
Time bomb. Talk to me about how this come about. Because it really come about like a bomb. I feel like it just exploded. Man. All of a sudden, I see it all over the place. You and Jahvillani,
Yes.
how this collaboration came about?
Jahvillani, everything when I hear the man, it just connect. I mean, I said that you can't miss, you know. You see me? Every song with Jahvillani do is almost like we are feeling the track them. So, you know, I actually reach out to him on the IG and say, yo, you're bad. You see me? I love what you do, and him show me about the same love, and I say, yo, we love your thing. So my nephew, big up my nephew, step to them. Him actually, you know, in a producing and things. So him send me a beat, and you know, me I tell him, say me and Javi conversate more time and things. I say, yo, me I love you, Javi, for one of them track here, you see me? So we actually pick out a beat, send it to Javi, Javi love it, you see me? Then after Javi love it, and me and Javi will link up now and actually record the song. My nephew send me another beat now with like a clock a tick, you see me? And I say, yo, this would be sick if you can do a thing like a diffuser bomb. I say, but it doesn't make a challenge or something, yeah?
The concept was different.
Yeah. So immediately, yo, I say, you know what? I'm going to challenge this, but I'm going to kick with the one with Javi first. So when I tell him I'm going to kick with the one with Jahvillani first, he said to me, say, yo, you know, say, but wicked if you and Javi do it. So, you know, I'm going to try a fight. Boom, I say it to Javi, and Javi love, you know, love what it sound like. So I say, all right, me and him link up and we just start flow. You see me, no pen, we just put on the track, and I'm going and lay the first 2 bars, and then him lay 2, and then we start go 4-4, and then back and forth. You know, we make, like me should have really video that session here for make you see how we just are going, and none of we not each, cause him are going on a Neil theme song theme part fast. And me I say, I'm here and put boom and kick with my part fast and come up back. By the time he done, him ready back with another 4. You see me, it was like a competitive type of vibes where they just work. You see? Yeah, man. But big up my nephew will create the rhythm and actually say, yo, and may I challenge you to do a bomb song, you see me? Yeah, man. So
yeah,
big
because it's such an unusual concept. Because I say, when me I say, bomb, I say, but then when me I say, yo, this is just so different, so unique, so refreshing.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? And it's a joy to see. I think Sean Paul recently said, you know what I mean, he wants to see more synergy and collaboration in dancehall music.
Yes.
So.
Yes, and that is why I have to give Jahvillani a whole heap of respect, because you know, the new artists them will come out, you know, say most of the youth them antisocial, you see me?
Them hide.
Yeah, them a hide right through, you see me? So it's like when me and Jahvillani reason, Jahvillani never want me send no track to him. Jahvillani want pull up. You see me real, and I have to respect him to even trust me for pull up on my block. You know that you never have more time, a man don't know how or what to expect. You see me? But him just know say real recognize real, and him pull up and me and him make the song in the studio. If this song wouldn't be as iconic and be so creative if me and him never bounce idea back and forth.
Yeah, because the back at the 4-4 bar, 2-2 bar, and all that stuff, there's an interactive.
2 go bar for bar, you see me? Yeah, man, cut the blue wire. No, the red man. No, if you try that, he's a dead man. You see me, like, we just go back and forth, and it was a nice energy.
So you never a future plan. Wonder why you the try for diffuse a bomb.
The bomb done blow up already, but check it out same way. Time bomb, Jahvillani, Wasp attack, at them.